Remember, you're laying the foundation. The better you master these so-called simple techniques, the faster and easier you will transition towards the more advanced techniques. For this exercise, we will choose the B string at the 5th fret and play each note 4 times, starting with the 1st finger. Then we'll add the 2nd finger, followed by the 3rd, and finally the 4th. Notice how this feels. Initially you might find that the 3rd and 4th finger feel weaker than the rest. And basically they are, that's just anatomy. But by practicing this exercise, you will develop the strength and feel that will allow you to play with all 4 fingers evenly and consistently. For the second exercise, we double the tempo. Now you play each note only twice. And finally, for the 3rd exercise, we double the tempo again and each note is picked only once. And to spice things up, we also add the additional possible finger combinations starting from the 1st finger. It's extremely important to get your hands to work together, to synchronize. To help you achieve this, here are a couple of key points to remember. First of all, relax your fingers. Use minimal movement. Use the right amount of pressure. If there's too little pressure, you get a buzzing sound. With too much pressure, on the other hand, you get crappy intonation. Use strict alternate picking. And finally, use precise and intentional movements.